Anymore.
We don't want Nigeria
Anymore.
Our agreement is 100
Yes.
Our agreement is 100
Yes.
And it
Our
has
agreement
expired.
is 100
Yes.
It has expired.
Then our 100 years
Expired.
our 100 years expired. So we don't want
Nigeria.
This is the beginning and the end of Nigeria.
Yes, sir.
So I am a Sunday. Popularly known as a Sunday Igboho. And I know God is behind me.
Yes.
Then I know Yòrùbá people is behind me. Nothing can happen. I swear.
TikTok,
We are Yòrùbá. We are in that Yòrùbá land before Nigeria. We have many things in our land. We have oil, we have gold. Only Fulani is one that enjoy our property, our
resources.
Only Fulani enjoying our resources. So we don't want our married again.
Yeah.
So we want British to separate us. Our agreement between Fulani and everybody in Nigeria is 100 years. Our 100 years now. So we don't want Nigeria anymore. No more Nigeria. We want our Yòrùbá nation. So please, England, British, all over the world, United Nations, we are appeal to you to come and separate us. No. Yòrùbá nation. Yòrùbá nation. I'm a Pichika Yòrùbá man.
Yes, sir.
Then I have my green card. This is my green card of Yòrùbá. I'm a Pichika Yòrùbá man. Then because my father give me, because my father give me clever man as a Yòrùbá man. Then my language is before. No, my language Yòrùbá is before
Nigeria.
For Nigeria.
In my fatherland, we have many things in our land.
Yes, sir.
We have gold, we have oil, we have many things. We have gas. Only Fulani enjoying our property because we don't have anybody to help
Fight
us.
for us.
We are now appealing to the British government to come and separate us because it's the one beginning of Nigeria. Then we don't want Nigeria again. If British they don't come and separate us, we are ready to die.
Yes, sir.
Because we don't have
Chaos.
anything to this country.
Yeah.
God give us many things in our land.
Yes.
Many resources in our land. Only Fulani enjoying our resources. Please, we are appeal to all over the world. We are appeal to the United Nations to come and separate us on this Fulani criminal people.
Yes.
Fulani just come to our land to come and kill our family, to come and rape us.
29,000. Now,
Fulani, when Buhari take over Nigerian government in 2015, Yòrùbá people Fulani killed in Nigeria is more than 29 million people.
Yes.
Raping us, thief our farmers, destroy our farmers, thief our resources.